Hi, Paresh here, and I've thought of doing another marketing insight in my hotel room right now, since I thought that this can help you to build your online business. So the thing that I want to touch on is that how do you stay focused with your online business while you're busy doing something else? Like for instance, that over the weekend, I have been busy going on stage, presenting, speaking, and so on. Right? Anyway, if you see that this is like really glaring, it's because I'm sitting beside the balcony and there's sun there, right? So it's not like the best lighting and so on. So going back to here. So let's say you are busy doing something, whether you are busy with your other work, your other business, or you're traveling and so on. How do you make sure that you don't lose out generating income while you're away? So the whole concept is that when you're going to be away, right, the fastest way how you generate sales and generate income while you're not actively doing that is to focus on affiliate marketing. And when I talk about affiliate marketing, it simply means that consider to promote someone else's product rather than promoting your own product. Because if you have to promote your own product, you have to prepare your marketing material, your products, and so on. But if you were to promote someone else's product, right, there are hundreds of other offers that you can choose from. So all you need to do is that you want to focus on the products that adds value to your own followers. When I use your own followers, it could be Facebook followers, it could be those people who come to your website, or those who are subscribers to your mailing list, right? And all of this could be scheduled in advance. Now, not on the website, but like for instance, Facebook. If you have a fan page, you can actually schedule the post in advance. If you have emails, you can schedule your autoresponder to send out emails on the time that you want it to go out. So here's what I mean. So when I'm away on speaking, being on stage and so on, what I've done is that I've looked for an affiliate program that is complementary to what I teach. So I cover about internet marketing, online business, creating wealth, and also personal growth. So what I do is that I look for a tool. Like in this case, I look for a video tool, a video software, because I don't teach video marketing. I don't have a video tool. So what happened is that I look for a tool that I feel that my subscribers would benefit if they have access to this tool to create videos. Like what you're watching right now is a video. As you can see, video is I wouldn't use the word the future of marketing, because it's the present way of marketing. So I find that, and I schedule in advance to my subscribers and say, hey, this is a good video tool that can help you to create professional videos and so on, and the email goes out. While I'm on stage, I was getting sales while I'm away for the weekend. I was actually getting sales from sharing an affiliate program offer. Now, the key thing I want to share with you is this, is that do you see how easy it is for you to generate income while you're away? But more importantly, is that don't lose out generating income while you're doing something else. Because if you don't follow this kind of system or this kind of mindset, you are very much involved in generating active income. And if you're building an online business, you should also consider the other advantage, which is none other than generating income while you're not actively being involved. But let's go back to promoting someone else's product. I want you to also understand this remark. The very fact is that your followers, if they don't hear from you, they would have probably heard from someone else. Like for instance, the video tool. If my subscriber did not hear from me, they may even go to Google and search and say, hey, video creation software for newbies and so on. They will eventually find the solution. Now, what if you be the person who provide that solution? So what I want you to think of is to change the paradigm shift of not trying to focus on promoting an affiliate program per se, but focus on how you can be the source of solution by being the person or the source to share with them the solution. And in that process, you generate some commissions and you generate some income while you are busy doing something else. All right? So I want you to think of that, because that's what I've just done recently. I mean, like right now. in present, and it worked for me. So if it works for me, I'm thinking that it will probably work very well for you too. Alright, so this is Patrick here, signing off, and feel free to share this with anyone else who you feel that they can also benefit from this knowledge, this awareness, this strategy, this idea. And that's it for now. And I will see you again in the next Marketing Insight. See you then.